We are recording.
Hi, I'm Angie Young, and this is my math center for a first grade class. What I did was I made took pictures of different things off the internet and printed them, and then I have a supply of different things for them to measure with. I have a ruler that they could use for measuring. I also have caps to use for measuring. I have paper clips for measuring, and I have playing cards. How they will do this is they will pick whatever way of measurement tool they would like to use, and they would go over here, and I'm going to pick the caps and measure Pikachu. So I put the cap down, and then make sure that it's right next to the other cap. And I need to make sure I get his ear. So Pikachu is 5 caps tall. So I would have my students come over here on their worksheet, and they would write down Pikachu is 5 caps tall. If they used paper clips, I would have them lay the paper clips end to end. Instruct them to lay them end to end. And then have them come over to their worksheet, and they would write Spider-Man is 3 paper clips tall. And then I also have playing cards for them to use. So if I wanted to measure how tall this book was, I'd have them put the playing cards down, and then they'd come over to their paper, and they would write the book is 2 playing cards tall. And then of course they could also use the ruler, which the ruler has inches and centimeters on it, so whichever side they wanted to use, they would be able to use it, and lay it down next to the item and be able to say the candle is 4 inches tall. And then they would write that on there, and then the very bottom of the worksheet, it has which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. So I would tell them that whichever way they decide to start measuring, whether it be the caps, paper clips, playing cards, or ruler, they need to stay to the same measurement all through measuring all the different designs on there. And then they can write down which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. And this is my math center for the first grade. Thank you.